Monika, February 1st, 2011. And here we go with another snowstorm. So I think we get about, it almost looks like about 3 to 4 inches on the ground. It's going to snow all day into tomorrow. And looks like we're going to get about 22 inches. I don't know where we're going to put it. This is the view from the bottom of the driveway. Driveway is about 75 feet long and about 12 to 15 feet wide. And now we're over at our motorhome where we had to shovel out a little path to the door. And if you look, you can just barely see our cars over that snow banking in the driveway. Fun. My sad motorhome. But thankfully we shoveled a little path to the door just in case we need to use it. I don't like all that snow up there.
No, it's better up there than inside it.
Oops. That's true. That's true. So standing at the top of the second driveway, which my son plowed out and opened up the bottom of ours. Definitely winter wonderland.